Welcome to Public Health Pulse, your go to platform for everything about community health, preventive care, and global wellness. Subscribe now and stay informed because public health matters to everyone. So, hello everyone, and welcome today to our topic of discussion, which is operational research. Operational research is a fascinating and highly relevant discipline that combines mathematics, statistics, and analytics to provide solutions to complex problems. Over the next few slides, we'll explore what operational research is, its origin, applications, techniques, and the critical role it plays in modern industries. So, what exactly is operational research? Operational research is essentially the science of decision making, and it is using quantitative methods to solve real world problems, particularly those involving resource allocation, efficiency improvement, and overall effectiveness. For example, in businesses, operational research might help decide how to allocate budgets or minimize waste, while in healthcare, it can optimize patient scheduling to improve service deliveries. OR basically originated during the World War II when researchers used scientific methods to solve the tactical military problems. Today, it is deeply integrated into industries like finance, logistics, and healthcare, providing its importance beyond its military beginning. By adopting operational research, organizations can base their decisions on data and systematic analysis, leading to more informed and effective outcomes. Before moving further, let's just talk about the history of occupational research. So, during World War II, as I already told you, the operational research began as a military tool to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in combat operations. Researchers used to analyze the tactical issues such as resource deployment and supply chain optimization. Moving on to the post war period, the operational research expanded into civilian sectors, especially in industries like manufacturing and business management. Organizations recognized its value in tackling the non military challenges as well. And coming on to the modern era, the occupational research has embraced advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analytics. These innovations have made occupational research more powerful, allowing it to address increasingly complex problems in various fields. So now moving on to what exactly is the role of occupational operational research in modern organizations. So today operational research plays a central role in organizations by driving efficiency and fostering innovation. Business optimization is where the operational research is widely used in industries like manufacturing, finance, and logistics to reduce cost, improve workflows, and maximize profitability. Data driven decisions. So, occupational research transforms raw data into actionable insights. By using quantitative analysis, organizations can predict outcomes and make decisions with confidence. Strategic planning. So OR it helps leaders evaluate multiple strategic options such as like launching a new product or entering a new market and choose the most beneficial course of action. This approach ensures long term success and sustainability. Moving on to the key techniques in operational research. So, operational research employs a range of powerful techniques, starting from the linear programming. So, this involves optimizing resources such as minimizing cost or maximizing profits while adhering to the constraints like budgets or manpower. Second technique is simulation. So, by modeling complex systems such as traffic flow or supply chains, simulation allows organization to test different scenarios without the real world risk. Next is queuing theory. So, this technique focuses on analyzing and reducing waiting times in system, whether it's in customer service, hospital, or even a manufacturing process. Last is decision analysis. So, this involves systematically comparing options to identify the best decision. For instance, it might be used to choose between multiple investment opportunities. So, when these techniques they are applied effectively, it can transform an organization's operational efficiency. Moving on to the characteristics of operational research. So it is having a very several key characteristics. So we are going to discuss all of them one by one. First is that it's data driven. As or it highly relies on collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to generate solutions, so accurate data is the backbone of effective operational research. Next, it is model based. Mathematical and statistical models represent real world problems, enabling precise analysis. For instance, a factory might use models to stimulate production line efficiency. Moving on to the system approach. This means that it considers the interconnectedness of all the parts of the system to find solution that benefits the whole. Last but not the least is that it focuses on optimization, aiming to find the best possible solution for a given problem, whether it's maximizing outputs or minimizing cost. These features they make operational research a comprehensive and reliable decision making tool. So now we are going to discuss about the different types of decisions in operational research. Starting with strategic decisions. So these are basically the long-term decisions that shape an organization's overall direction. For instance, deciding to expand into international markets is a strategic decision. The second type of decision in operational research is tactical decision. So these are the medium term decisions that implement strategies. An example would be setting quarterly production targets based on the company's long term goals. So, last type of decision in operational research is operational decisions. So, these are short term, day to day decisions like scheduling employee shifts or managing inventory levels. Together, these decision levels ensure that an organization runs efficiently while staying aligned with its broader goals. Now let's discuss about the steps in decision making in operational research. First in the line is we need to observe the problem environment first. So, understanding the context and gathering the relevant information is the very first step. Then we need to analyze and define the problem so that we clearly identify the issue to address. After that, we have to develop a model. So, we need to create a mathematical or simulation based representation of the problem. This will lead to the next step, which is to select the data input. So, we have to gather and input accurate data for analysis, which is relevant. This takes us to the next step, which is solution and testing. Solve the model and test its recommendation for feasibility and accuracy. Last step is the implementation of the solution. So now we need to apply the solution in real world scenarios, ensuring it delivers the intended result. So this systematic process ensures effective and reliable decision making. So how can we apply operational research to real world problems? So operational research is incredibly versatile and its application across various domains can be seen in this slide. So in supply chain management, operational research optimizes inventory levels, transportation routes, and overall logistics. For instance, it can minimize delivery times while reducing cost. In finance planning, operational research aids in managing investment portfolios, assessing risk, and optimizing returns. And in healthcare operations, it helps hospitals improve patient flow, schedule staff efficiently, and allocate resources effectively, leading to better patient outcomes. Now we need to discuss what is the future of operational research. So, the future is exciting with emerging trends and challenges. First on the list is artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence is enhancing the operational research capabilities, enabling more accurate and dynamic decision making. Second on the list is big data. Leveraging vast amounts of data allows operational research to uncover patterns and make better predictions. Moving on to cybersecurity. Operational research models are increasingly used to safeguard sensitive information against cyber threats. And last, ethical considerations. As operational research becomes more advanced, ensuring that its ethical and responsible use is paramount. The integration of all these trends will define the future landscape of operational research. Now let's discuss some of the limitations of operational research. While operational research is powerful, it has limitations. Starting with that, the magnitude of computation. Because the magnitude of computation required, it can be challenging, particularly for a large scale problem. Next is the non-quantifiable factors like emotions, cultural values. They can't be always be incorporated into models because these models uses quantifiable factors. Third is distance between users and analysts. This might lead to communication gaps. Other limitations involve time and money and implementation. OR often requires significant time and money to implement effectively. So, understanding all these limitations, they allow us to mitigate them and maximize the operational research potential. So, in conclusion, operational research is a cornerstone of modern decision making, bridging the gap between complexity and clarity. By leveraging its methods, industries can optimize processes, save resources, and achieve strategic goals. So, thank you for joining me in exploring this fascinating field. I look forward to your questions and insight.